Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we're going to take a look at the robot and how we can actually use this to create geometry instead of the standard tools that we normally use. So I'm just going to drag the robot onto the geometry piece of wireframe that I want to create a pad of. So one key thing to note, we need to make sure it's set to create features mode in the context toolbar. If you don't have the wireframe selected when pulling, it'll just move the robot. Now when I pull the robot away in a vector, you'll see that I've got this ruler up here. I can use this ruler to give me a guide on what size I'm creating. I can also override this. So as I've clicked here, I can just click on one of the numbers, and this example here, it's gone the wrong way. So it's gone 22.5 mil in the X negative direction. So I'm just going to put a negative number on that, and that's just going to build this pad. Now I've done that, I can select my next piece of geometry that I want to create a pad for. And one key thing to note here, first of all, I'll pull away from the geometry. The reason for that is if I don't, it will try and create a pocket because it's intersecting the part I've already created. Okay, and I'm going to pull that through, and I can also use limiting elements. So it's a little bit hard to see, but I'm just going to pull this, and you'll see that my ruler disappears, and there's this little bit of green text. It's very difficult to see, but that's then just going to limit it up to that plane. So now we want to create the pockets on the back end. So exactly the same method, we're just going to click on the wireframe, and I'm just going to drag this away. You know, our design's evolved now, but we want to create a pattern. So we've got some of the tools here. We're just going to select on the compass in the same direction. Then it's just going to ask us for a direction in what we want to pattern in. So I'm going to drag the compass onto this vector here. And I'm just going to drag this down. As you can see then, it's going to give me a distance, so minus 34 mil in this case. And also it's giving me a count, so I can start adding further instances of the pattern. Again, it's very quick and easy to do. Building pads, if you've got precise dimensions, again, pockets, if you've got limiting factors, just be aware that obviously if the design intent changes, just to how you've modelled it, as per any modelling technique really. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this useful, leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.